guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have for you a very exciting video in my opinion. I picked up 2 of these Halloween Make Market Diamond Art kits from Michaels. I know in one of my previous videos I said I would not pay full price for a Make Market kit. However, this was $14.99. I did get it 20% off because I had a coupon. Look at this. It is jack-o'-lanterns with glow-in-the-dark drills, okay? 40 by 50 centimeter for $15.99 or $14.99. And look at the glow in the dark area. So this is what the picture looks like. And then you've got all of the little faces that glow in the dark. I could not pass this up. The kit is called Pumpkin. Like I said, I picked out 2 kits. So this is the first one, and then the other one I will be sharing very shortly. I believe there was 4 or 5 kits total. I had to exercise self-control because there was a skull one that I wanted as well, a witch one. All of them had glow-in-the-dark drills, and I just was very excited. So, without further ado, let's just bust this bad boy open. And this one does have the standard, what is that called? Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart. Legend, is that what we call them? You guys know what they're called. Someone remind me in the comments down below because I'm having a brain fart. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is the canvas here. Hold on, let me roll it backwards so that it's not quite so, you know, rolly. Okay, so these are larger kits. They do not have a soft back canvas. However, they do have scalloped edges. And I have completed one of them and they turn out great. I don't know. This one has a legend. We've got 1, 2, 3 different glowing colors. OMG. So here's all the colors. We've got 21, 22, 23, 24 colors. So very excited. You've got a nice clear drill field. I am very, very excited about this. Okay, stick is good. This one here looks like Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas. Does anybody else see it, or is it just me? Obviously it's not a Disney licensed kit, but tell me that's not Jack Skellington. You cannot. Anyways. It does come with instructions if you need that. I'm gonna throw it away because at this point I've got problems. Here is the toolkit. You've got some blue wax, a nice big boat, some thick, big baggies, and then a silver pen with a grip. So that's nice. Anyways, there's that. And then here are the drills. Look at the color palette on this, and look at these. Oh my gosh. So let's bust these open because obviously this is a special drill kit. So I want to see what these special drills look like. So pardon my scrinkling. Ooh, girl. All right. So these are the 3 special drills. Obviously this is a round. So you've got white, orange, like neon orange, and neon yellow. So those are the 3 different glow-in-the-dark shades. So then you've got 22, 23, and 24. So like how we had seen, it's mostly in here around the the pumpkins' faces. So it makes it look like they are glowing with candles, you know, when the lights are off. So yeah, basically that's what's going on with this canvas. And then the color palette for the rest of the drills, I'll just kind of lay them out here so you can see. But it's just so fall, so, you know, I don't know, Halloween-y. I just love it. So that is this canvas. Again, this is Pumpkin by Make Market. I got it at Michaels. And then don't forget to use that 20% off coupon that you can find on the Michaels website all the time. Because that's what I did. I hate paying full price for anything. So, yeah. Anyways, that is it. I'm very excited for spooky season. I will be sharing the other one very shortly. and I hope you guys are having a great day. So if you're interested in diamond painting or wax videos, this is a channel for you. I would be more than happy if you would like, comment, subscribe. Come join us here on my channel, and until next time.